Welcome back friends, and in this video I'm going to cover one topic that suppose this Wi-Fi, if you are turning it on and after some time it is getting off, means it is not stable, then in that case what will you do? So I will tell you quickly 2-3 things which you can do and you can experience a perfect Wi-Fi signals. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. The very first thing is go to the setting and then go to the connections, not connections, go to the general management, and in general management one option will be reset, and here reset network setting, go. This will reset all network settings including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Any data you will not lose except the Wi-Fi and the passwords, Wi-Fi passwords. So just reset it. It will ask for pattern, enter it, and now reset. Okay, so just reset it. I am resetting it. It has gone. Now you go back, restart the mobile, and you will find that your problem has gone. If your problem still persists, then the second thing, just turn the flight mode on, wait for some time. It will reset all the flags inside the mobile and reset something more also. So after that, just turn it on and test how your Wi-Fi is working. If it is working okay, then it is fine. If it is not working at this mode also, then you quickly go to the developer option. Developer option you can activate by going here. I have already activated it. If this is not coming and your drop down menu is ending here, go to the about phone and then go to the software information, build number, press 7 times, 7-8 times. Because I am a developer, it is coming, and after that enter that pattern, and that developer option will come in the last setting menu here. Developer option, go to the developer option, go below and search for the networking here. Here you have to enable 2-3 things. Enable Wi-Fi verbose logging. This will increase Wi-Fi logging levels. So per SSID, means you just turn it on, then Wi-Fi scan throttling, just turn it on. It will improve network performance. And the third is tethering hardware acceleration. These 3 settings, just turn it on, and after that go back and see what happened. If you can restart the mobile also at this time, and I'm sure that after doing this you have an steady stable Wi-Fi connection communications. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.